Do you often suffer from heartburn? You're not alone in this discomfort. Heartburn is a common issue that many people deal with on a daily basis. Imagine it as a sharp, burning sensation that usually starts in your chest, right behind the breastbone. It can creep up into your throat and make you feel like you have a fire in your chest. But what's the science behind it? Heartburn is essentially a symptom of acid reflux. When you eat, food travels down your esophagus into your stomach. A ring of muscle, the lower esophageal sphincter, acts as a one-way gate, allowing food into the stomach but not back up into the esophagus. But sometimes this gate can become relaxed or fail to close properly, allowing stomach acid to flow back up into your esophagus. This acid reflux is what causes that familiar burning sensation. Now that we understand what heartburn is, we can move on to how to alleviate it with a tested and effective home remedy. Ready to say goodbye to that burning sensation? Here's a proven home remedy that can help. Let's whip up a simple yet effective concoction. All you need is a teaspoon of baking soda and a glass of water. Here's how you do it. Take a full glass of water, preferably lukewarm. Now add in a teaspoon of baking soda. Stir it until the baking soda is fully dissolved. It's important to ensure the baking soda is completely dissolved to prevent any unpleasant taste or texture. Now drink this mixture. You don't have to gulp it down all at once. Take your time, sip it slowly, letting it work its magic as it travels down your esophagus and into your stomach. As you sip this soothing elixir, here's what's happening inside your body. The baking soda, being a natural antacid, starts neutralizing your stomach acid. This is the science behind this home remedy. The discomfort you feel during heartburn is due to the acid in your stomach flowing back into your esophagus. So when this acid meets the baking soda mixture, it's neutralized, providing immediate relief. Remember, this remedy provides temporary relief. If heartburn persists, you should consult a healthcare professional. But for those times when heartburn catches you off guard, this simple home remedy is a handy tool in your wellness arsenal. Heartburn can be uncomfortable, but with this remedy, you can find some relief. Now remember, this home remedy is not just a quick fix, but a proven method to soothe heartburn naturally. It's fascinating how our body responds to these simple, natural ingredients. We encourage you to give it a try and share your experiences. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to comment below. Subscribe to Remedy Seeker for more health tips and remedies. Here's to a healthier you.